In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone's Amazon storefront. This can be a useful skill, especially when you've had a great experience with a particular seller on Amazon and want to explore more of what they have to offer. Let's dive right into the process and ensure you have everything you need to easily navigate this task. First things first, you'll need to start by searching for a product sold by the seller you have in mind. Take your time browsing through the vast selection on Amazon, and once you find a product that is sold by them, go ahead and click on it to open the product's detail page. This is the hub where you'll gather the necessary information to locate their storefront. On the product's detail page, there's an important section that you need to pay attention to, which you've likely noticed before: the Sold by Seller Name section. This is typically found just below the product's price and availability information. It's your direct link to finding more about the seller. Hover over or click this section, and it usually opens up more details about the seller. Clicking on the seller's name often does the trick. In many cases, this will take you directly to their storefront or lead you to their seller profile. Once you're on this page, you can explore other items they offer, learn more about them, and possibly even find contact information if you have specific inquiries or requests. However, you might come across a slightly different wording, such as "visit the store" or "more items from this seller." Both phrases will guide you to more of their products, so be sure to click on any links you see that resemble these options. It's essentially a quick way to immerse yourself in their full range of offerings. One last tip for those who are a bit more technical. If you're interested in diving into the details, take a look at the URL in your browser once you've clicked through to the seller's page. You might notice something like "seller" followed by a string of characters. That's the seller's ID. While this is more for curiosity than necessity, it can be handy for those who like having a deeper understanding of the web navigation elements. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to find someone's Amazon storefront with ease. Whether you're looking to buy more from a trusted seller or simply want to explore the variety they have, you've got the know-how to make it happen efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on Amazon.